YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. Sound a little sick because it's allergy season. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I am back with another video for y'all. If you're not already subscribed to my second channel, please go do so right now. The link is down in the description below. Click that link, it's going to take you over to my second channel. I want you to smash that subscribe button for your boy. Alright? Also, guys, you want to copy 26 King Wavy merch. There's also a link in the description below. Click that link, it's going to take you over to the website. And anything you purchase off that website, use the discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your purchase. Today's video, I'm going to show you various methods, various ways that you can moisturize your hair, okay? There's a couple of different ways you can moisturize your hair. A lot of people don't know this, but if you watch the full video, you will leave your couch or whatever you're sitting on, however you're watching this video, you will leave educated on this. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Okay, so guys, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that little weight check. Alright guys, so that's how I'm looking. So, let's get started. Once again, I apologize for the way I sound. My allergies are killing me, alright? It's the changing of the weather and stuff, changing of the season. It's just messing with me. It's like superpowers, but it's painful, alright? So guys, a lot of you guys don't know when you're supposed to moisturize your hair and how you're supposed to moisturize your hair. When you're supposed to moisturize your hair is you can moisturize your hair anytime you feel like your hair needs to be moisturized. Or to be on the safe side, you can moisturize every other day, or you can moisturize every other day. But in between the days that you're not moisturizing, there's no saying that you can't add oil to your hair to keep it looking shiny and moist. You feel me? But in order for you to moisturize your hair and keep it moisturized for the 2 days that you're not going to apply any moisturizer to it, so say you moisturize on Monday and you don't moisturize until Thursday. Alright, so Tuesday, Wednesday, if you want to make sure that the moisturizer is still in your hair, your pores have to be opened. Alright, if your pores are not open, then it's no point of moisturizing. You're just wasting your moisturizer, because if the moisturizer is not going into your pores, that means it's not being stored. So every time that your pores are open, so the moisturizer can come out and add the shine that you need to your hair. Okay, so let me explain. When your pores are closed, right, and you moisturize, the moisturizer is just staying in your hair. It's not going inside the roots to be stored for the next days coming. All right, so when you moisturize with your pores closed, it's just adding shine to your hair for that day. Alright, so tomorrow you will have to moisturize again, and the next day you will have to moisturize again, and all of that is going to cause product buildup, guys. So listen to me, alright? All of that is going to cause product buildup. If you want to avoid that, you will have to open up your pores. Here's how you can open up your pores, okay? So you can either do the hot towel method. Anything that has to do with warm temperature will open up your pores. So if it's the summer, your pores will most likely be open because of the heat. Alright, so you would have to moisturize more than usual. But in the winter time, your pores will always be cold. So you will have to you can moisturize not as much as you would in the summer. Let's talk about the winter time. When you moisturize, right, you want to take a hot towel, and you want to put it on your head, which will open up your pores. After you do that, if the temperature is not cold in your house, you know, your pores will remain open for at least an hour. So you have time to moisturize and everything. And then once you finish moisturizing, depending on how long your brush session and when you're brushing everything in, depending on how long that is, if it's 25 minutes, 30 minutes, you have 30 more minutes with your pores when your pores will remain open. But you don't really want that, because when you're distributing the product throughout your hair, you already moisturizing everywhere, because the product is getting to everywhere, and plus it's inside your pores already because your pores are open. So what you want to do is you want to close up your pores. I mean, you don't have to, but I feel like you want to close up your pores by doing the cold towel method, and then plastic bag, and then rag up. When you use cold temperature, your pores close up. So after you do that, the hot towel method, you have your the products inside of your pores, and then once your pores are closed, your hair is already moisturized. Now the product that's inside of your pores plus your natural oils, they're just stored for the next day when your hair needs to be moisturized. Let me tell you when your hair will be moisturized. When you're sweating, okay? So you ever realize when you sweat, and then you gotta have your do-rag on anytime you're doing any activities and stuff. So because when you sweat, you don't want your hair to frizz up. So always keep your do-rag on. So you go to the weight room and you start sweating. The reason a lot of people realize that every time they sweat and they keep the do-rag on, and then when their hair dries, they take it off, their hair looks so shiny and silky and healthy. That's because all of the moisture from yesterday's moisturized method is already stored in there. So when you sweat, your pores open, and then everything, the moisturizer, everything is just like, it comes out and it moisturizes your hair. So your hair doesn't frizz up because the do-rag is on. So it's gonna keep it laid, and once you take your do-rag off, your hair is gonna look super healthy, super shiny, and it's gonna look super laid because it's just natural. Everything natural is just, it's gonna make your hair look the way it's supposed to look, all right? So that's why that happens. Okay, so another way you can moisturize your hair is by having the shower running. If you have the shower running and hot water, and the whole bathroom starts to steam up, your pores will open up. Okay, so when you shower, this is the best time to moisturize your hair, because I'm sorry if you look like I'm crying, guys, because I'm not. All right, it's just my allergies. All right, excuse me. So when the shower goes on and the steam just start, you know, evaporating the room and everything, you had to have your do-rag on, because if not, yeah, your hair's gonna frizz up. So that's why I tell you, when you go in the shower, always keep your do-rag on, because the steam, I know not a lot of you guys take a shower with cold water. If not a lot, at least none of you guys take a shower with cold water. I don't take a shower with cold water. But when you take a shower with hot water or warm water, I know people that take a shower with hot water, okay? That will peel your skin and everything. So take a shower with warm water, your pores are gonna open up because of the heat, you know, the temperature change and everything, your pores are gonna open up. So after you finish with the hot shower, that is the best time to moisturize your beard. That's the best time to moisturize your hair, because your pores are open, all right? That's the best time to open up to moisturize your body with some lotion and everything. Your pores are open for at least an hour or hour and 30 minutes. So after your shower, take your moisturizer, you know, moisturize your hair and everything, and then boom, your hair will be moisturized. But do that every other day or every other day, because you don't want to moisturize your hair every single day, because you're gonna clog up your pores. It's gonna be too much, all right? Too much stored in your pores, and there's gonna be product buildup, and that's just nasty. So when you comb your hair, when you like take your nail and you go through your hair, you're gonna see all the products and everything. That's too much, you know? Like, just moisturize whenever it is needed, not every single day. Okay guys, so another way you can moisturize your hair is by taking a hard enough brush. You can use a medium brush or a medium hard brush, okay? So when you take the medium brush, like say you moisturized yesterday, you got your products inside of your pores are closed right now. So what you wanna do, right, is you wanna take the hot towel or have the water running hot temperature, and you wanna take your medium brush, right? You just wanna brush at least good 15 minutes. You brush. You're gonna realize you're going to realize that while you're brushing, you don't have to apply anything at all. As you're brushing, your hair will start to become shiny because your pores are open and the product that you applied yesterday is still in there. So when you're brushing, your blood is going to start to flow, okay? Your blood's going to start to flow, and the product that's in your hair that's already stored in your pores is going to start to come out. So you don't need to add any products, okay? So as the medium brush is already doing its job. So all you're doing is brushing, and the product is just going to start coming out. And then boom, and then after that brush session, your hair is going to be shiny. It's going to feel warm and hot because your blood is going to be flowing. It's just, the blood flow is gonna take care of everything. And then once you do that, with the medium brush, 15 minutes, then you take your soft brush, lay everything down. Your hair is gonna be shiny. It's gonna be moist out of nowhere. It's like magic. Like you don't even know, you didn't even apply anything. It's gonna be moist out of nowhere. When it's on, it's gonna take care of your hair. You're gonna be moisturizing everything. It's just cool, man. Like once you do your research on this and you experience it, it's just like, wow, I understand this more now. But take it from me, guys. That's how you're supposed to moisturize your hair. Don't overdo it. Don't apply too much products. Also, a little goes a long way, guys. Don't put all this product in your hair because it's just gonna cause product buildup, and you're gonna have to wash your hair like 3 times a week, and that's not good because you want to stay away from shampoo. You want to wash it at least once a week, twice a week max, okay? Because we're coarse hair weavers. We're not straight hair. Straight hair, they can wash their hair every day if they want to because that's just their hair texture. But us, we don't want to do that because it's not good for our hair. Makes it dry and not good, okay? So stay away from shampoo once a week. And I hope this video helps you learn or helps you get a better perspective on how to moisturize your hair, okay? I am doing a giveaway. I partnered up with 26 King Wavy doing a giveaway. Either a medium long handle white brush or a medium hard long handle red brush, okay? So all you need to do is follow me on Instagram, follow 26 King Wavy, and then follow the instructions because we have it posted on our Instagram. My Instagram is 360_juice and his Instagram is 26 King Wavy. You know, follow us on Instagram and follow the instructions, and hopefully you will get a chance to win the giveaway. Good luck. That's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.